okay?
You gonna hold the pad for me?
All right. Actually, you
I'll
got
hold it. I'll hold it.
I bet.
Nah, you can hold it. Look at it.
Yeah. All right. So I'll give you each a shield, and then one of you guys partner up.
Yeah, you got me, gang.
I got you.
You got me.
I got
So
you.
just.
Yeah, so
I
you
got
gotta
you.
stay a little further.
Wait, I saw I'm kicking.
No, I'm kicking, gang. I'm
get a
going-
chance?
Ladies first, yeah. We go first.
Yeah, both of you
Can I
guys.
change?
Is it
She
fixed?
okay?
No, come right here.
Alright, so you hold the shield like this.
Let me know if it's fixed.
Like this?
Yeah, so we're gonna
It's
hold
scoot
like this.
over.
One hand here, one hand top. You wanna give a little space, okay, so they can hop forward, and you're gonna kick it out, okay? Like this, on your hip.
Hey, don't
Cool.
don't
Thank
kick
you
it out.
guys.
I'm
Thank
not
you
gonna
guys.
hurt
It's a pass, so you'll be good.
Don't kick it out.
Okay.
I'm not getting hard, okay?
So
Make sure your leg comes up.
Hey, you feel?
I got
Hit
you.
it wrong?
I got you.
Okay, come on.
You sure?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready? You're gonna kick all the way down. Okay, let's
So
go.
go like, do it one more time. Baby.
So you lift up, you hop, and then you kick it out when you get close
Bet,
enough.
bet.
Okay?
I bet.
Are you ready?
Ready, homie? What?
Yeah. Lift it up.
I mean,
Lift the
fuck
front
it.
leg up. Go on your own. Let's go.
Come on.
Okay. Oh, good. Keep going. Keep going.
Gia, you ready?
She did it. She did a little rep already.
Oh, in place? Oh, what do you got?
You're hopping forward, and then
Come
you
on.
You, I'm hopping forward, you stepping back. Mike, you gotta back up while she hopping.
No, she's good. She's good.
Wait, so I have to stay still? I stay still?
Yeah, she's
Zolly!
Okay. You gotta back up. I'm tall.
What do you mean?
a little more space.
Like, I gotta go like that, right?
And then kick it.
Okay.
When you get closer.
Ah! You didn't let me kick it correctly.
You kick it wrong!
No, you gotta kick the pad.
My fucking turn.
No,
Hold
you
it.
didn't.
Hold it.
You didn't hold it correctly. Let me
My
do
fucking
it
turn.
correctly.
No, my fucking turn.
One more time.
Holy shit.
You didn't-
One more time?
One more time.
Alright, so I got 2 times.
Okay, I'm gonna do the original kick.
Alright, bet.
Okay. He taught us this one.
Oh,
No!
Hold on. We. Alright, come on, bro.
Oh. I'm trying to kill shit.
I'm sorry. Chill. Oh, chill on the. Whoa. You good, bro? Oh no. Oh my god.
Alright, we gotta let the other person go now. You gotta give it.
Yeah, y'all turn.
My turn.
Y'all turn.
Hey. Ready?
Why did it actually crack?
Hold on. Let me try. Shit. You ready? Yo, see? You pussy. Who? The fuck? I hold it, you didn't hold it, throw it away?
Who pussy?
You.
Fuck off of me. Get up. This is for Kai. Get up. Get up.
Kai, save me. Save me.
This is for Kai. Get up. Tell him to get up, Cammy. I'll beat your ass too.
I saw we learning in the class.
We are. Get up.
Alright.
Fucking Kai. Don't bring him.
Chill.
The class is done in 4 minutes anyway. Let's go get some strawberries. And you, Ray, count your motherfucking days.
I thought we learning karate, not fighting.
Can we learn one more thing?
Yeah.
Okay. And what I want to learn is. I'm scared if I break a bone.
Oh, let me try. Wait, what that is? Wait, show me what that is like 30 minutes
And then
ago.
you guys can break
Show me.
Yeah, we learned
You gotta break the wood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
So we'll learn one more kick.
Wait.
Ray, don't
Oh.
break it.
So we'll learn one more kick, and then you can choose any of the kicks that we did today, and you can choose to break a board with it. Okay?
I'm good.
All right. So I'm gonna show. This is the last kick we're gonna do. We're gonna do a spinning hook kick. Bring it hard. This is the spinning hook kick with left. A little higher. So from here, you're gonna spin, and you're gonna open up your hips, and you're just gonna slice across. So from here, kick. All right. You're pivoting off the same foot. It's like the back kick you learned. Back kick. You open up your hip. You kick across. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead.
You got it.
Put the kids in classic.
Which one you better do?
You don't even know.
This one. Ready? So we're just gonna start here. Yeah. Turn.
He really Asian for like, it comes to him naturally. You see how you do
Oh yeah. My bad.
Pivot first. Pivot. Okay.
Come on, right?
Okay. The stance.
Do
I
your
like
shit
it.
then, boy.
You like it?
I like it. Yeah, good.
Yeah, do your shit, boy.
You good, bro? Got on tailbone. Oh.
Why do you play so fucking much all the time?
What the fuck? Did I do wrong?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh fuck.
Let's try next.
Alright, your turn. Jill. Let me see what the chest say.
Don't you forget.
Pivot. Leg across.
This isn't your way, BB.
So
Yes,
switch your
it
legs.
is.
Start with like this. Start like this. Switch your legs. Switch up. Yeah. Turn away from the target. And your right foot's gonna swing across. Oh, it's good.
She's scared.
No, wait, whoa.
Wait, the Asians are fighting.
Hold on. Time. I hurt myself.
You hurt yourself? You good? Oh shoot. Hey, whoa. What the fuck?
I'm good.
What the fuck is going
What's
on
going
right
on?
now?
I think you
His lip
good.
is bleeding.
Nah, you good, bro. You good.
You sure?
Bro, suck it up.
Yo, my shit breathing.
Where? Nah, it's not. No, you good. It's not
You
bleeding.
No, you're not. Sorry.
The Asians are fighting.
Team on him now. Nah, come on. Team on. He's not. Yeah. Wait. Oh, good job. Get back.
Stop! I want to break the board. Gio, let's break the board.
I'm waiting for y'all.
Yo, what the fuck they have, bro?
I'm ready.
He crashed out.
Yo, ready? Yo,
Yo, Foy.
get beat up, so.
Yo, you wanna jump? You wanna jump, though?
We gotta jump somebody?
Yeah.
Who jumping? You gotta slide? I don't need no uniform, right?
Man, no.
Back it.
You jump in?
Ready?
Oh, after the last lesson. After the last one, jump.
You're gonna wait from the board, and you're gonna break through.
Let me try.
Ray,
I'm trying. Do it. I got it.
move, Ray. Move, Ray.
Nigga, let her go. Got your back.
Ready? Make sure your heel hits the board in the center. Ready? Go. Go kick it in the middle. You try one time. One try. Just kick it one.
He did it again.
Oh, rear naked choke.
Oh, kick down.
What is your fucking problem? Fight back or something.
Who's gonna go?
You don't want to smoke, Gio.
No, I wanna break this, y'all.
Make sure your heel is the first contact with the board. Are you ready?
You got this. Go, Gio.
Ready? Go.
Nah, I ain't even fucking with you for the rest of the night. I ain't
my
fucking
turn.
with you for the rest of the night,
My
Gio.
turn.
Who's next? Who's next?
Me.
What's going on?
How'd you do? I got it. I got it, though. This.
Ray, you're bleeding.
Here?
The cheese?
Oh yeah, your gum. It's your gum.
You're not gonna be that bad.
It's not that bad. It's still stop.
He said it's not gonna be that bad, right?
I'm trying.
Alright.
Come on, Ray, actually try.
Come on.
Got it.
And then straight. Okay?
Oh, back it.
Yeah, back it.
Come on, it's in your jeans.
Huh?
Nah, pussy, I ain't even gonna
He
lie.
just used his toes.
Alright.
Use your toes, Ray.
Who's next?
Your toes is pop. What your toes could
But I'm
do?
saying though, how your toes so fucking strong?
Yeah, what
like
your
that?
toes could do?
Feel me, bro? I've been training. I got a genius.
Same kick?
I'm gonna do like that
My
spin
man
shit.
said he gotta go to the
This one?
Show me something, so.
Oh, you go bring the round kick, right? This one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? You gotta make sure your toes are down. You hit with your toes, it's gonna hurt your toes. So
Bet. I want to do it. Bet.
Oh, no, you can do it, I promise.
Do it.
I'm gonna do it right.
God. I bet.
Do it. Oh, whoa.
You want me to do it first?
What is that?
I don't know.
So what? Oh, shit. You know what? Just watch out, guys.
Watch it.
Hold it high.
Yeah, watch.
Hold it high. Maybe you gotta like.
Oh, yeah. No.
Be careful.
Be careful, move. Because that board's gonna fly.
Just be careful. The ball is flat out.
Be careful. The board gonna hit red.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh. And you gonna bleed again.
I gotta stop calling the Asian niggas, bruh.
Right foot in front.
Sorry.
Up high.
I just like the bird.
Step. Spin.
God damn. I see why they said move.
You ready?
I bet.
Ray, you should have stood there.
I'll let you practice one time. Right foot in front.
They're fucking you up, bruh.
Not bad, bro.
It's a tag team. It's a tag team. You can't play fair, bro.
What should I do?
Listen, Ray. Let me tell you something, bro. You have to channel your inner Jet Li.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? No. I'm trying to be funny.
Super Saiyan 3.
You have the one up. They're trying shit. This is your culture. They're trying to mock you right now.
Oh, this is my
They're
culture.
trying to mock you. So now you gotta show them that how you really do it in Taiwan.
Bet.
Gotcha.
Ready? Go ahead. You got it. Jump. Nice. Oh, good.
Alright, that was pretty rough. I'm gonna chill on Ray. Ray, I don't
that's
want to
not
hurt you because Kai smacked the shit out of you the other day, and I didn't like that, man.
Who?
You okay?
Huh?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I said you got slapped.
Oh,
We
no.
got one more. You trying to do that 362?
I'll just let you have this one.
Oh my God, you're heavy.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, Mike.
God damn. This is not a fucking karate class. This is a fighting class. Ooh. What the chest say? Let me see. Damn, good shit.
I know your finger. My toe.
God damn. Oh. This ain't not a fucking karate class. GG came in. W came in, Jeff. Fight going. Fight Gio. Don't call go heavy.
We done with this? Oh.
Yo, you fighting your team, bro?
Oh, see? You cannot.
It's not what you guys are supposed to be doing.
Yo, hey, yo!
Hey, yo! No, don't make it now, you're not.
Touch your balls?
I didn't touch his balls. Hey, yo, no Diddy. No Diddy. Yo! What you got going on? Back pedal.
It's cool. I get a picture of y'all.
Yeah.
For you.
Although I didn't. I'm not here like 90%, but I still enjoy the class.
You did good. You did good.
Appreciate it, bro. You really black belt?
Yeah, I really black belt.
Show me some. Not too hard, like a little bit.
Wait, you want to kick? Yeah.
Ah, you missed it. You missed it. I didn't get to stretch. Ah, yeah, I got it. Ah,
I'll
I hear you. Good there? Oh, I can do that shit.
You do it? That's it.
Ah! Oh! I'm gonna do good. Yo, Gio. You don't get to teach me how to dress.
I thought we were going shopping tomorrow.
Yeah, you gonna teach me how to dress?
I could teach you stuff.
Nah, you put me on how to dress.
I could put you on an outfit, like I put you in the outfit, and then you go from there, like just follow what I'm telling you to do.
I bet. Anymore?
But if you don't learn, like
I won't. I will.
will.
Like, I've been dressed like Ray. Feel me? I need a bag and jeans. Oh, chat tomorrow. Me and Chris and Gio gonna hop on a shopping trip. Like they gonna teach me how. Like Gio gonna put me and Chris how to dress. Chat. Yes, WL. W shopping trip. Yes, sir. Sound good. I bet I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Yo, shit. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I'm Asian, but I still feel like I'm not in the culture shit. But I feel like if I start from the filming,
We let them get their little camera time. Now, if you really want to get some get back, we catch them outside.
With the offstream streets.
we do offstream. Oh yeah.
Wait, you ending here?
W get back or what?
Yeah, we doing that shit offstream.
Play your outro song.
Oh, my outro.
Factory.
No, that's my outro. You know what my outro?
Wait, what's the outro?
Wi-Fi bar. It's my outro. Yeah, W short stream, W New York. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Hold on.
Cap. Hold up.
Hold on.
Bad luck to talk on these rides.
W1 stream.
Mine on the road.
Yeah.
You're dilated.
What? You say what, Gio?
Watch the
You have
clouds
to, bro.
white Ferrari.
Let me do it.
Everybody got to win.
Let me see, bro.
Come on, y'all get in here. Ray Cousins.
Bye-bye. Come, I'm waiting for you, bro. Come.
To stay the plane. Kept my mouth.
I got to sing the song too.
You know